today is Monday. And yung mga bata, mayroon silang student-free day. So, bukas pa sila mag-start mag-school. So, ako, pupunta ako ng Coles para mag-grocery. Eh, nakalabas na yung car natin kasi nilagyan to ni Jan ng petrol. And si Kuya, maaga umalis, nag-golf. May mga kasama siya, mga kaibigan niya. Char si Kuya, hindi na si Daddy ang kasama niya, guys. Mga kaibigan niya na. Okay, mag-drive muna ako. Si Holly tulog pa eh. Anong oras na? 9:26, tulog pa si Holly. Isasama ko sana siya. And i-check ko yung schedule. Hindi ko pa rin i-check yung schedule ni Holly for dancing. Kasi pag back to school na sila, yung ano nila, yung dancing din nila, nagre-resume. Like, ito yung third term na ni Holly sa dance. So, tingnan ko kung nagbago yung schedule. Kasi kung hindi, mamaya, merong ano si Holly, merong siyang dance. And hindi ko, di ba usually, tinatali ko yung buhok ko. Hindi ko tinali ngayon kasi malamig. So, para ma-protect yung neck din natin. I'll see you sa Coles, guys. Kita tayo sa Coles. Okay. Back to school grocery.
Keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. But I had so much to say, and you let me get away. Still, well, I still cry, I won't lie. But you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know. You came into my life at the right point, and now you're leaving when it gets hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone, 'cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh, now I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still?
200 grams, please. 200 grams? Yes. Thank you. It's alright, yeah. That's fine, no? Thank you.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with the colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. Fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. We never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Tell me all your secrets you're out inside. I tell you all of my feelings I have in my mind. Rolling in circles, it goes on and on. And all of the things that I say to you, I feel like you take them and leave it behind. It's hard to find one more reason I wanna rewind. 'Cause baby, I'm going through phases of loving you, running out. I've been losing you, baby. When I do, I'll be boy, I'm coming to terms with not having you running.
Okay, punta naman tayo ng Baker's Delight. May araw pero ang lamig. Sinisipon na tayo. Punta naman ako ng Baker's Delight. Clear ba? Ang
Take the
ating...
cuts and the bakehouse, the butcher, the baker, barista maker, next to the post office in Narracourt. Home with Carrie and Tommy. Carrie and
Okay, Baker's Delight. Wala masyadong magandang fruits kasi nga winter. Ang makukuha ko lang na magandang fruits is apple. Yung kumuha ko ng strawberries, pero kailangan mong pumili kasi yung iba parang ano na siya, yung lata. Then yung grapes, ay nako, ang lambot. Hindi yun magugustuhan ng mga bata. So hindi ako kumuha ng grapes. But kumuha ko ng watermelon. Yun, at least may watermelon. And mandarin. Gusto sana ni kuya yung peach or kaya apricot. Wala pa, hindi pa season. So magko-cross lang ako dito. And Baker's Delight na. Where ba tayo? Ihina ako. Walang toilet. May toilet dito kaso ano, nakalock, under renovation ata. Ang ganda sana ng toilet kaso so tiis na lang. Oh, kumahangin na. So, kumuha tayo ng 3 low GI. And meron ako nito. Ito yung Baker's Delight na rewards. Pag napuno nyo yan, itong isang row dyan, makakakuha kayo ng isang free. Ito. So, ngayon, bago na to, meron tayong 3 stops. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Kasi, ang oras ay grabe. Okay. Let's go home. Thank you. Pinauna ako ni Lolo. Nag-giveaway siya. Pa-music na ako, guys. Ang hangin talaga. Tingnan mo si Lola, yung door niya dinadala ng hangin. Okay, dito na tayo sa bahay. Baba, can you turn it down? Turn it down, please. Dito na yung ating mga tinapay. Turn it down. Yeah, 4 o'clock. May dance si Holly at 4.
Oh, we saw.
Yeah, anong oras na? 3:30. Pinag-iisipan ko kung bukas na lang. Kasi may...
Did I need to find my ballet stuff?
Yeah, I told you that to get
I only
ready.
found my MJ t-shirt.
Yeah?
I only found my MJ top.
Where's the shoes and all that? It should be in your
My
bag.
dress shoes are in
Yeah. So, baka huwag mo muna siyang mag-dance today.
What's for dinner tonight?
Oh, it's for dinner na. Dinner na yung hinihingi nila.
What'd you get?
I got strawberries.
Watermelon.
Watermelon, yeah.
Yes.
Ngayon ko lang tong eggs. 18 pieces to. Here, the orange house. You're waiting for the apple.
Can you put the oranges in the fridge?
Yeah. Where's the... Bumili ako ng zucchini. Kasi gusto kong i-recreate yung natikman ko dun sa Como. Como ba yun? Yung kumain kami ng dinner. Kaming 3 nila, Rafe and Kat. Kasi masarap yun. And bumili ako ng red radish. Pang salad. Celery. Ang dami pa ditong yung chips na
Did you
pinili
get any
namin.
apples?
You know what? I will put this in the Ziploc. Yes, I do have apples. I will put this in the Ziploc kasi kumuha pa rin ako yung mga single pack. Pero gusto kong paubos muna ito sa kanila. Ilalagay ko sa sa Ziploc.
Mom,
Ang
if
dami
we
pa
don't eat
nito.
that in time, can I make banana with it?
Ha?
If we don't eat the bananas in time and it goes rotten, can we make banana with it? Is this one here?
Yeah. Gusto niya gumawa ng banana bread. Si Kuya tsaka si Sak kumain ng banana.
Where's the apples?
Can you get the old apples? Put in a bag. Gawin ko na lang siyang something apple crumbles or here kasi hindi na nila yan kakainin. So tutulungan niya na ako. Yung takip ng ating.
I need to have oranges. Oh,
I didn't get grapes because the grapes
They go rotten.
are soft. You like hard,
Oh yeah, I like crunchy.
crunchy. Gusto nilang crunchy yung yung
Finally, you got watermelon.
watermelon. Yeah,
You used to never get watermelon.
well, because it's not seasoned. So this one,
Oh.
i-chop ko mga yan. I-ready na natin.
Can I have one slice?
Back to school yan later when I cut it.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Alam ko na kainin ko. May tira pa kami dito yung kagabi.
You're gonna have salad.
Ha?
Oh, is that what you're having?
Yeah, this one.
The rice.
The rice and meatballs. Masarap siya actually, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Hindi ko pa sa inyo na-unbox yung sinasabi ko na binili ko in-order ko online nung nasa Yamba. Nandito na siya actually.
Does this
Halos-
go in the bag?
Yeah, just stay there. Siya nagpuput away. Nandito na siya. Malaki siyang box. Ang bigat niya. Hindi ko alam kung kailan natin yung unbox. Pero yan, nandyan na.
Yeah, I'll have scrambled eggs and rice.
Tawagan ko si Jan kami ngayon? Mag take away. Never kami nag-take away after
Mom, is
nung
anything good in there?
holiday namin. Yeah, ba?
In the big, in there where everything else is, in that.
Yeah, you can remove that one. Put it outside and I can clean it later. Tawagan ko siya. Kasi late na para magluto. Gusto ko kasing ikat yung mga fruits. 2:22 na. Ang pangalan ni Jen dito sa phone ko, asawa ko. Tanungin ko muna siya kung anong gusto niyang dinner. Hi, Bob. What do you want for dinner, hon? Not much? Can we just have pizza for the kids? No, what do you want? What do you want? Something easy. Yeah, I do have bread. I have ham. Oh, okay. You're not hungry. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Where are you? Bayside. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Love you. Bye. Ayun yun daw. Hindi niya feel daw ang pizza. Something easy lang daw. Siguro mag-egg na lang yung mga bata. Kasi halos araw-araw talaga yung masarap yung luto ko sa kanila. Sarap ng luto ko sa kanila. Kasi iba-iba. Hindi kami nag-take out for a long time. Yun nga, since nung Yamba. Wala pa. So ngayon sana kasi si Jem hindi niya raw feel ang pizza ngayon. Gusto niya raw something light. So, tingin na lang tayo kung ano dyan. How many eggs you want?
I want the. Can you make the bally egg?
Bali egg.
Yeah, I'll get the ball.
I need one more for pizza. And that one you can cut all that one so you can shove it. Stop.
I put all the eggs in that one. Now maybe I put the.
Just put in the box. Oh, hon, look at this egg. Perfect.
Let me see.
Look.
Perfect.
May pumuputok. Yes, say
Hi, Ate.
hello. Can you get my AirPods there? Ha? Masayang ka mo?
Mom, I got my set.
Oh.
Mom, can I use this bread or Mom, do I use that bread? Mom.
No more reason I wanna rewind. 'Cause baby, I'm done going through phases of loving you, running out. I've been losing you, baby. When I do, I'll be your boy, I'm coming to terms with my
Zach, where's your plate? Oh, you got lots of eggs here.
Me?
Yeah, you and Holly.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, I got your plate now, Nak.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
That's
Done.
my plate.
How about Daddy?
Dad, having toast.
Okay, Daddy, come on.
Dad, do you want eggs?
Mommy, is this already?
Dad, do you want eggs and toast? Is that right?
loving you, running out. 'Cause I'm losing you, I've been losing you, loving you now.
I don't wanna hold on no more 더 이상은 못해 제정신이 아니야 지금 우리의 상태를 봐 우린 못 돌아간다고 그대로
Fresh na siya.
Did my skincare?
You did your skincare?
I
What
was.
skincare do you have?
I've got never ended.
Yeah. Very safe yun. Pwede nga yun sa baby.
It's good for kids.
Yeah, for baby. It smells good. You put lip balm?
Yeah, I put the lip balm on.
Ano siya,
I
naglalagay
was
siya.
looking for the cream.
That's the one that Auntie Mel gave you, right?
No,
Oh, what's that one?
that was from Nana and Pa.
Oh, from Nana and Pa. Oh.
The
from Nana and-
bag,
Okay.
and it came with nail polish.
Oh, wow. Oh. Alright, guys. Tapos na ko.
And I was looking for the cream, and do you know where it was?
Where it
It
was?
was in one of your grocery bags with skincare in.
Ah, sorry. Tinanong niya kasi ko. ano-
I got my cream before we left to get our game to road. I put it on the side, and you must have touched it and put it in
I
there.
don't know. I don't know.
And I put lotion on.
Ah, yeah, wow.
And put
Ready
it in
for
the-
tomorrow?
Yep.
First day of school tomorrow. And ready na yung kanilang fruits for
For-
tomorrow. What?
We had 2 weeks off for holidays.
Oh, you have more than that one. Before the school holiday,
Oh,
we had a holiday. Alright guys, we're gonna close our vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin.
was that half a month?
No, more than a month.
Half a month. Like,
More than a month. A month, and then you have 2 weeks. So, yeah. 1.5 month. Okay, guys. We're gonna close our vlog na. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank
are
you.
these washed?
Yes. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
which is tomorrow. Back to school.
Back to school tomorrow. Mommy needs to get up early again. Oh, crunchy. Okay, guys. Good night.
Alright.
Because I think I do want you next to me.